Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the OffCourt Natural Body Spray for Men with Prebiotics. This deodorizing and aluminum-free body spray is designed for full body use, with a medium-bodied fig leaves and white musk scent. OffCourt Body Spray is formulated with prebiotics to balance odor over time and contains 3 deodorizing ingredients that help eliminate odor by absorbing it, unlike other body sprays that simply try to cover it up. The unique formula won't ruin your clothes and leaves behind no sticky, white residue like other deodorants. You can use this body spray under the arms as a deodorizer or all over your body as your daily fragrance. The scent of fig leaves and white musk lasts 6 to 8 hours and includes notes of vetiver and musk for a green and clean scent. OffCourt's aluminum-free formula is non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. While not intended for very sensitive skin due to the inclusion of fragrance and alcohol, this body spray is a great choice for those looking for a natural option that works. Made in the USA, OffCourt offers a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply reach out to the brand for a refund or replacement. In conclusion, the OffCourt Natural Body Spray for Men with Prebiotics is a top choice for those looking for a high-quality, natural body spray. Whether you're heading off the court or just want to freshen up during the day, this product has you covered. Get your hands on the best OffCourt deodorant spray available in the market today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of top products like this one. See you next time.